Let me show you a few different things that you can do if OTG is not properly working on your Samsung phone. For example, if you're trying to connect some accessory to it or storage or connect to a PC and it's not properly working. So first you can go in the settings and swipe all the way down till you see your about phone. Then go to the software information and click 7 times on the build number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will unlock the developer options. Okay. Once done, go back and you will see you have a new option here appear, developer options. Then you want to enable two things here. So first find this USB debugging. Make sure this is enabled. Yep. Scroll down. In the networking section here, default USB configuration. Okay, and make sure to select transferring files. Yep, so yep, that also. And the last thing you can do is you can simply go in the phone app and on your keypad dial star hashtag 0808 and also hashtag once more. Okay, so you see, and make sure you have this function enabled here, MTP plus ADB essentially. So yeah, if there's something else, again, make sure this is enabled for the OTG to work properly. Okay, good luck.